Hello and welcome to Deck Builders San Francisco, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are tackling a question almost every homeowner asks at some point. Should I build my deck with wood or with composite? It sounds simple, but this choice has a big impact on how your outdoor space looks, feels, and holds up over time. Let's start with wood. When people imagine a classic backyard deck, they usually picture real wood boards. Wood has a natural warmth and character that many homeowners love. With the right design, it can tie in nicely with older homes, traditional porches, and existing patios or stairways. Pressure-treated lumber is usually the entry-level option. It keeps costs down, but it needs regular care, like sealing or staining, to protect it from moisture and sun. Higher-end woods, like cedar or redwood, give you a richer look and better natural resistance to decay, but they still age. Over the years, wood can crack, splinter, and fade. If you enjoy hands-on maintenance and do not mind restaining every couple of years, a wood deck can be a good fit. But if you want to walk outside, sweep, and be done, wood might feel like a chore after the first few seasons. Now let's talk composite decking. Composite boards are designed to resist many of the problems that show up with older wood decks. They do not splinter the same way, they are more resistant to rot and insects, and they usually require far less maintenance. For many homeowners, that low maintenance is the main reason they switch. Instead of sanding and staining, you are mostly washing the surface now and then to keep it clean. Composite does have its trade-offs. It often costs more upfront than basic wood, and on very hot days, some composite boards can feel warmer underfoot than certain woods. Colors also matter. Darker tones absorb more heat, so we talk with our clients about shade, pergolas, and how they plan to actually use the deck. But when you look at the long-term picture, the extra initial cost can make sense because you are not paying for as much ongoing maintenance. Another key point is how you plan to use the space. If you know you want an outdoor kitchen, a heavy pergola, or a covered area attached to the deck, you are asking more from the structure. That means framing details, fasteners, and footing design all become critical, whether you choose wood or composite. Composite decking often pairs well with these long-term features because it is built with durability in mind, but the structure underneath still needs to be done right. Climate also plays a big role. In areas with strong sun, heavy rain, or coastal air, wood can age faster and need more frequent care. Composite boards are designed to handle those stresses better, which is why many homeowners near the coast or in harsh weather zones lean that way. If your backyard is shaded and damp, or your deck sits close to the ground, moisture is another factor that tends to favor composite. As you listen, think about how honest you want your deck to be. Do you want a natural material that you are willing to care for regularly, or do you prefer a surface that asks less of you over time? There is no single right answer, but there is a right answer for your home, your schedule, and your long-term plans. If you are not sure which way to go, that is where a straightforward conversation with a builder helps. At Tough Deck Builders San Francisco, we walk homeowners through these choices every day. You can reach us at 415-767-8899 or visit toughdeckbuilderssanfrancisco.com to talk through your project. Thanks for listening today, and we look forward to helping you build a deck that feels solid today and still feels solid years from now.